Having trouble with your Spectrum Xumo Stream Box? You're not alone. Many users experience similar issues. Let's tackle some of the most common problems and their quick solutions. First, buffering during peak hours. This often happens due to Wi-Fi congestion. A simple fix is to adjust your video quality settings in the Xumo app to auto or even a lower resolution. For a more stable connection, try switching to an Ethernet cable. Another frequent issue is an unresponsive remote. Before contacting support, try replacing the batteries or repairing the remote in the settings menu. App crashes, especially with apps like Disney Plus, are also common. To fix this, try updating the app, clearing its cache in the settings, or even reinstalling it. For general glitches, a simple reboot often works wonders. Unplug the Xumo box for 30 seconds and plug it back in. These basic fixes can resolve most issues quickly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Xumo Stream Box problems, let's dive into some advanced tips. Connectivity issues are a major culprit. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal strength is good. Aim for -50 dBINers or better. Consider using a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone to check. Software glitches can also cause problems. Make sure your Xumo Box has the latest updates by checking in Settings, System Update. For persistent issues, a factory reset might be necessary, but be aware this will erase your data and require you to set up the device again. To perform a factory reset, locate the reset button on the device, usually on the back or bottom, and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, keep in mind that Spectrum offers AI-powered troubleshooting through their app, which can often diagnose and resolve issues automatically. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Spectrum support for assistance.